How do you troubleshoot application errors in AWS? Imagine your application suddenly stops working or slows down unexpectedly. What do you do next? Troubleshooting errors in Amazon Web Services can seem tricky at first, but with a clear plan, you can find the problem fast. Start by gathering detailed error information. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor your application's metrics and logs. CloudWatch can show you CPU usage, memory, and network activity. It also has alarms that notify you when something goes wrong. If you see high CPU or memory spikes, that might be your clue. CloudWatch Application Insights can analyze logs and metrics automatically. It detects issues like high error rates or slow responses and suggests what might be causing them. This helps you focus on the real problem instead of guessing. Next, look at errors from specific AWS services. For example, if your application uses Amazon Simple Storage Service, check the error codes returned by the API. Errors like internal error or slowdown tell you about server issues or request limits. Implement retry logic for errors like internal error because they can be temporary. For slowdown errors, reduce request rates or spread out your requests to avoid hitting limits. The error responses often include diagnostic data, which can guide your debugging process. If your application uses an application load balancer, check the health of your registered targets. If some targets are marked unhealthy, review their logs and metrics. Verify network security group rules, DNS settings, and SSL certificates to ensure they are correct. The resource map of the load balancer can show which targets are failing and why. Fixing these issues can restore proper routing and connectivity. Logging is essential. Capture only error-level logs, such as HTTP status codes for 100 and 500. Too much data can be costly and make troubleshooting harder. Use verbose logs like debug or info only during development. In production, focus on logs that show actual errors. These logs help you pinpoint the exact problem. For database errors, like those with Amazon Relational Database Service, review the error codes and messages. Authentication failures or query errors often show up here. Checking the database logs and error responses helps you identify if the issue is with credentials, permissions, or query syntax. From a broader view, integrating these troubleshooting steps with automation tools can speed up your response. Use AWS CloudWatch events to trigger workflows with AWS Lambda functions. Automate log collection, alerts, and even fixes. Infrastructure as code tools can help you quickly redeploy or adjust resources if needed. This reduces downtime and improves security by catching issues early. In summary, troubleshooting application errors on AWS involves monitoring with CloudWatch, analyzing service-specific errors, verifying network and security settings, and using logs wisely. Automate repetitive tasks to respond faster. Following these steps helps keep your applications running smoothly and securely on AWS.